Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbud SOUNDPEATS Opera05 available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds, and if we open it right here, you can see that I already add these earbuds here. So my short answer is yes, it's available on Android devices. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to this application, we have videos about it, so you can check them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!